How did I not learn this before? A genius trick that everyone should know. Start by peeling a green apple. Remove all the skin and the stem, just like I did. Next, grate it using the large holes of a grater. Then, transfer everything to a medium bowl. Add the juice of 2 lemons, 70 grams of brown sugar, and mix all the ingredients very well until combined. This is the right mix. After doing that, prepare 300 grams of puff pastry. To do this, cut the sheet of pastry into 12 equal parts forming squares just like I did. Now, on each square of pastry, add 1 teaspoon of jam and spread it. I'm using peach jam, but you can use any other flavor you like. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. After that, add 1 teaspoon of the apple mixture we prepared to each one. And close the pastry squares by bringing the corners together and sealing the gaps well, just like I'm doing. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. They should look like this. Next, use an electric mixer beater as a guide to cut the edges of the pastry. Then twist the ends just like I did. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. They should look like this. Now, transfer everything to a large baking tray. Brush a beaten egg over all the pastries. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 20 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.